Hey everyone, this is Dr. Ava again. Let's dive right in. Let's be honest, writing about ourselves is not an easy task. So when one of the requirements for med school is a personal statement, many people get stomach aches just thinking about it. Today, I want to talk to you and give you some tips that may help you in writing your own story to be presented to the committee. The next 1,500 characters will give you a chance to be interviewed in the school of your choice. A powerful personal statement can make a lasting impression on admissions committee. This is your chance to present your qualities or your beliefs that aren't elsewhere represented on your application. The first thing I want to point out, however, is understanding how long it may take you to write your personal statement. Many students are so focused on other parts of the application requirements and process, and some may even procrastinate because they're drawing blanks on what to write. So they wait until the application period opens up to even start thinking about this. A good personal statement is expected to take a couple of months to complete. You're going to write the first draft. It probably won't be very good. Then you will change a few things. You may ask someone to review it, wait for them to provide feedback. The sooner you start, the better it is. Start with an outline of the items you want to highlight. Pick topics you feel comfortable sharing. For example, what aspects of yourself are most worthy to point out? What sets you apart from other applicants? Have you had to overcome any barriers? What skills do you possess? Why medicine? When did you become interested in it? This will give you a direction to start writing your drafts. My last point is, even though we want this to be about you, your story, this is not a sales pitch. Do not try to sell yourself in your personal statement. Don't be too pushy. Your job is not to show all of the things you have done and how good you are, but to tell your story, and most importantly, to be authentic. You might have experiences shadowing and volunteering, but you do not know what it's like to be a physician yet. So what makes you want to be one? Why is this worth it for you? On that note, I will leave you with this question to think about. Why is this process worth it for you? See you next time.